My Whirlpool Duet washer is stuck on the clean cycle. I have run the clean cycle numerous times, with and without Affresh, but it still won't budge. I have a mountain of laundry. Help. Does the washer door even open? Or is the cycle just stuck on the clean cycle and you can open the door and set a set, but won't work? I would first try unplugging the machine for 10 minutes, then plug it back in and hit and hold the cancel button or power button for 10 seconds, then let go. That will reset the control board. Try that and let me know. Also try to get me the model number from the machine so I can bring up the diagnostics and check cycle for your machine.
I can open the door when the cycle completes. Model, WFW94 HAL.
Okay. Great. Running the clean cycle with no soap or Affresh is never a good idea. But that should not have got the cycle stuck. How old is this machine? Try the reset I described above.
Bought it on March 17, 2013, so that makes it a little over 2 months.
Okay. Try this. Hold the rinse and spin buttons for 10 seconds, then let go. Tell me what happens. And since the machine is under a year old, it is still under warranty. Which is good. So if we can't reset the control board now, you can call Whirlpool and have them come out and replace the board or machine for free. But let us try the reset first. That works 70% of the time. Did you try the unplug for 10 minutes?
I have a spin button but no rinse button. I have unplugged it for about 10 to 15 seconds but not 10 minutes.
Okay. Try unplugging it for 10 minutes. The longer period of time is what resets the computer. If that doesn't work, then tell me. What other buttons do you have on the control board besides the spin button? Wash temp. Spin. What else?
Okay, I have replugged in the machine and nothing has changed. Other buttons are wash temp, spin, soil, pre-soak. Would it be helpful if I uploaded a picture of the front of the washer?
Hello, if the reset still did nothing, then I am afraid that the control panel has shorted out in one to the clean cycles you have put it through. Since the machine is still under warranty, I would not do anything else to it for fear that you may void the warranty. And if that happened, you would be responsible for the cost of repair. For this machine it is quite expensive to replace the control board. More than $200. So please call Whirlpool at 1-866-698-2538 and tell them your model and serial number and that your machine is under warranty, and they will send someone out to you for free and replace the parts for free. If you have any other questions, please get back to me here at any time and I will help you. Have a good day.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.